Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm giving you guys a quick wig review on this wig that you see right here. So if you guys want all the deets, then make sure you stay tuned. Okay love, so this wig review is courtesy of SOGOODBB. They were kind enough to send your girl a few different units. So if you guys have been keeping up with my videos, then you know I've done quite a few videos featuring SOGOODBB and the products that they have sent me. And so I'm super grateful that they continuously send me new products. And so this unit that you see on my head is from ZURY SIS. It is from their Beyond Your Imagination collection. It's in the style BYD Lace H HERI. I want to say it's HERI, H-E-R-I, and it's in the color Some RT Red Hot. So yes, this is the color right here. And so since we're still in February and it's, you know, the lovers month, I definitely want to give you guys something hot, something sexy, and so hopefully that is what this look is achieving right now. So this is a RhythmNBeauty fiber synthetic unit. You can use heat on it high up to 400 degrees, and it doesn't say it on here, but I'm pretty sure this unit is like 26 inches long. So yes, this unit is a very long unit. So if you guys are not into the long units, then this unit is not for you. But if you are, then it's for you. So my personal thoughts about this unit is I absolutely love this unit. I'm a fan of ZURY. I've worked with ZURY for quite a while. So most of their units I always tend to love, especially when they're longer units. And this unit is no different. I absolutely love the color. I think that is complementary to my skin tone. So it's definitely giving me like copper vibes, but you know, red hot copper, I think that's pretty much like the same thing. So as far as the texture, I absolutely love the feel of this unit. Oddly enough, I can run my hands straight through it and look, okay, it snagged a little bit, but once I had just brushed it, like I could actually run my hands all the way through it. But of course, because it's so long, it's absolutely going to tangle. Now, how many wears you'll be able to get out of it, I'm not sure. As you guys know, I don't wear my units all the time, and I don't sleep in my units, my synthetic units. So my units tend to last a lot longer than someone that wears it like all the time. So I love the fact that it does come with dark roots and then it goes down into this red hot color. So one thing is it did not come with baby hairs. I had to actually create these baby hairs, so I did have to go in and like cut some baby hairs where they needed. I mean, I feel like it's up to your preference. You may like baby hairs, you may not like baby hairs, so it's purely up to you. I just do what's comfortable for me, and most of the time if I'm wearing my hair in the middle part, then most of the time you're going to see baby hairs on this side and it tucked behind my ear, and then this hair will just be, you know, up front like this. So other than that, I did experience some shedding when I brushed the hair out, so I don't know if you guys can see that, but this is some of the hair that came out. But look how long this hair is. Like, I mean, this is nothing compared to all the hair that's on this unit. And so it was very minimal shedding. And I think that was pretty much everything I could tell you guys about this unit. I definitely think that it's a very gorgeous unit, very sexy unit. So if you guys like it, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys think about this down in the comment section, and I hope to see you guys in my next video.